Welcome to this tutorial on using MetaTrader for Forex trading. MetaTrader is a popular trading platform used by millions of traders worldwide. To get started, you need to download and install the MetaTrader software from the official website. Once installed, launch the platform and create a new demo or live account. A demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual money, while a live account requires you to deposit real funds. After creating your account, you will be prompted to log in with your username and password. The MetaTrader interface is divided into several sections, including the menu, toolbar, market watch, and charts. The menu provides access to various features, such as file, edit, and view. The toolbar offers quick access to common functions, like new order and chart settings. The Market Watch window displays a list of available currency pairs, commodities, and indices. You can customize this window to show only the instruments you are interested in trading. The charts section is where you can analyze price movements and identify trading opportunities. To open a new chart, click on the File menu and select New Chart. Choose the instrument you want to trade and the time frame. MetaTrader offers a range of time frames, from 1 minute to 1 month. You can also apply various technical indicators to the chart, such as moving averages and relative strength index. To place a trade, click on the Tools menu and select New Order. Enter the instrument, volume, and price level. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. Once you have placed a trade, you can monitor its performance in the Trade Terminal window. Risk management is a crucial aspect of Forex trading. MetaTrader allows you to set stop loss and take profit levels, as well as adjust your position size to manage risk. It is essential to have a solid trading plan and stick to it to avoid significant losses. In conclusion, MetaTrader is a powerful trading platform that offers a range of features and tools to help you succeed in Forex trading. By following these steps and practicing with a demo account, you can become proficient in using MetaTrader and start trading with confidence. Remember to always manage your risk and follow a solid trading plan to achieve your trading goals.